LiveFlow app. The pros, the cons. LiveFlow is a financial management and investing platform designed for real-time cash flow insights, but is it the right choice for investors and businesses? Starting with the pros. First, real-time cash flow tracking. LiveFlow connects to your accounts and provides instant updates on income and expenses. Second, visual analytics. The app offers charts, dashboards, and reports to understand trends and make informed financial decisions. Third, integration with accounting tools. LiveFlow works with popular platforms, reducing manual data entry and errors. Now, the cons. One limitation is that it's primarily geared toward businesses or active cash flow monitoring, which may not appeal to passive investors. Another drawback is subscription fees. Access to advanced features requires a paid plan, which may be costly for small users. The surprising truth? Many people underestimate how real-time insights can prevent cash shortages and help plan strategic investments, turning data into actionable growth opportunities. In conclusion, the pros: live cash flow monitoring, visual analytics, and accounting integration made LiveFlow ideal for businesses or active investors. The cons: niche focus and subscription fees suggest casual investors may not need all features.